Okay. Hello. How you doing? All right, so I taped off 1 7/8 inches. And then I got, I don't know, all go crazy and put down, I don't know what I was thinking, what I thought was modeling paste or molding paste or whatever you want to call it. This one is Utrecht acrylic modeling paste. Put it down and did what I was going to do and looked at the container and it was gloss gel. So scraped it off, put it back in the bucket because of course it was golden gloss gel, not the cheap stuff. So now I've wiped everything off. You know, if there's a little gloss gel left, there's a little gloss gel left. I kind of really don't care at this point. I probably should have, I don't even care. It's okay. I was going to say that I should have resin the back of this, but I really don't think it's necessary. So now, where I've taped, I'm going to apply modeling paste, not gloss gel, gel gloss, or whatever you want to call this stuff. Yeah. So I'm just gonna, that looks kind of cute as it is. I'm just gonna put this stuff on here, spread it, and actually it doesn't really feel that different from the gloss gel. Must be why I was confused. It's been a long life. Anyway, I'm gonna put this on here, spread it out sort of evenly. I don't want it to be too slick, you know. I want it to, you know me, I like to have my things look a little rustic. Rustic is a good word for it. There we go. A little rustic. There we go. Take that back off. Scrape this edge. Scrape this edge. Scrape this edge. I'm going to take this piece of burlap ribbon. I'm going to make a little pattern, sort of. I'm not going to press it too hard, but I just want to make it look slightly patterned. That's all. Then I'm going to peel it up. There we go. I'm going to turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Now we just have to let this dry. Here we go. You can see this sort of pattern. It's not really a pattern as much as it is just a roughness, okay? I have taped off my modeling paste edges as best I can because these are going to be a different color. It's just this middle part that I'm dealing with right now. And I'm going to do a marble pour with Amsterdam Acrylics Naples Yellow. Let's see here. And that's that. Deco Art Americana Decor Texture Turquoise, which is not texture if you mix it just like paint. Liquitex Basics Primary Blue. And Amsterdam Grayish Blue. And then another layer of the yellow. And then a layer of Amsterdam Azo Yellow Deep. Arteza Pearl Tangerine Orange. And Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Deep. Then another layer of the yellow and another layer of the blues. Now, I'm going to need about 4.5 ounces of paint to do this, so I have this lovely 5-ounce cup. And away we go. So we're going to put in some of this here, yaller. Then we're going to put in some blue. This is the texture paint. When you mix it with pouring medium, it's just like any other paint. I like for my sandwich pours, aka marbling pours, to have a little bit more color than some people do. So I put in a pretty fair amount. This grayish blue, I don't know. We're going to see how it acts. I kind of want it to have a shadowy kind of look. I don't know. We'll see. Primary blue. Ourselves a little runway, so we are going to have too much paint on here. It is okay though. I am not mad about it. Oh, look at this. I'm probably gonna make a mess. Elbow in close to the side. Hello, Jeremy Massey. And flip. Ta-da! Magic tap taps. We decided we don't know if this really does anything, but we like doing it. Makes us feel important. All right, so there we go. And ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Then we're just going to start rolling it around. I went down to the canvas, so I'll make sure to cover that up. Roly, 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 roly. I want to go hit this end down here. Make sure we're getting all the spots. I'm just trying to get all of the edges and things right now. Making sure I get down to that taped edge. Now we're going to go back over that way. I know I'm supposed to be flipping this around, but I think it's small enough that you guys can see. And down. And over. Walking. Because we still have to get this other, there we go, edge down here. I think this is going to be kind of pretty. I didn't know how this whole idea of a different color in the middle of my sandwich would work. But it is, as Fiona always says, and as my partner Chris has started saying, well, if you don't try it, you're not going to know. I don't know whether she's secretly watching Fiona or what. But whatever, it's true. So I guess I can't really gripe about her saying it. There we go. Now we're getting places. This is good. This is good. Once more into the breach of the top. And as soon as I get all of these colors, these corners covered to my liking, I'm gonna roll back down to the other end a little bit. There we go. To dry, and when I come back we're gonna paint our edges. Okay, I think my middle dried really nice, so now it's time to get on to the edges. Okay, here are the dried results of my painting. It's turned out really nice and blingy. Let's get up close here. We've got cells galore. I'm just gonna sweep us across this way. This was my little sandwich pour. And if you pick it up, it goes bling, 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 bling. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. I was gonna use it for Nate's Art Labs collab, but I like it by itself, so I gotta come up with something else. So anyway, there we are. Happy day. Enjoy what's left of your day, and I will see you next time. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me. See you soon.